What's up, my YouTube family? Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the Julia Inspired Lifestyle channel, and on this channel we talk about how to make money, how to save money, and how to grow and multiply your money. I keep saying this, it is not how much you make that matters. What matters is how much you can make from the money you make. I don't know if you understand me. How much you can manage the money you already have. That is the reason why you see people that have less amount of money that do well in the long run compared to people who cannot manage money well. So it's not just about the money that comes in, it is how well you can use this money for your own benefit. This is one of the reasons why I started this channel, because I want to inspire you to learn how best to manage your money. So in today's video, I'm going to share something interesting with you. This just happened. I told you guys. I told you in the last video. If you missed the last video, please go and watch my last video. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, drop a comment, and you will definitely enjoy all the content that we bring. I told you in the last video that Tesla was going to hit 240. I told you this and it happened. Did it happen? It did happen. So when I say things in this community, in this space, in my videos, you should take it seriously. And I remember saying, even if you do not want to play the game, just download the apps I recommended and just watch the movement of the stocks that I talk about. So first off, I'm going to talk about Tesla, and a big salute to those that took that game. I told some people to do that and they bought it and they made a lot of money. So you can see here, this is Tesla, all right? And look at this. You can see Tesla was around 228. This is amazing. And I said this particular stock was going to run back to 240. Can you see that? He actually tried to get this 2 times. He made a first touch on the 20th, he made a second touch on the 22nd. Can you see this? This is amazing. When I say that this stock is doing well, it is. And currently, you can notice something. I want you to see something interesting. Can you notice that the stock is hovering around 234? But this is what I want you to observe. Between now and next week, this stock is likely going to drop lower to about back to 200 and this 228 range, or even lower, before making it all the way back again to 240. So if you missed this first wave, I'm telling you, you should not miss the second wave. Let me clear this up. I like the charts being super clear. If you missed this wave, if you missed this, don't worry, another wave is going to come, because this stock is coming down. It is coming down to 228 or lower. Can you see? It is going to be 228 or lower. And as we are stepping into the new month of December, I want you to prepare yourself for how to arrange yourself for the new year. If you're the kind of person who has been thinking, how do I make some money for the new year? Now is the time to plan. You don't wait till January and February when a lot of things have happened and you're a bit confused. You don't know what to do anymore. Now is the time I plan for my next year. And do not miss my next video. I'll be doing a video on things you need to do before the end of 2023. That video, you should not miss it. Like, you should wait for that video like anything. That's like the most important video you can give to yourself with this particular season. So before we step into December, I want you to have watched this video, and this video you should watch it many times. Every single thing I discuss in that video, you should be able to do them. So let's get into the next one. I remember telling us about Nvidia, right? In the last video, I also mentioned that I'm going to be talking about Nvidia. This is an amazing, this is the stock of the year. I told us last time this stock moved from $190 to $500. $190 to $500. My God, This is amazing. And I told us that they were going to report their earnings yesterday, and they did report their earnings. Look at what happened. They reported their earnings and they fell from 500 down to 477. It actually touched 477. I want you to see this very well. I want you to see this very well. So let me look at what happened yesterday. Can you see this? This is exactly what happened yesterday. From 500, look at 500, it dropped to 477. 477. So realize that this stock is currently at around 487, though right now after market hours is at 485. Okay, but I want you to see something. This stock may likely drop lower, but peradventure it doesn't even drop lower and you're able to get this stock back at 480 or less, and you ride it all the way to 500. That means you're getting $23. That's like more than 20k. This is how we play the game. Like I said, you don't have to chase anything. We simply wait for it to come to our level and we can get back into the opportunity. So if you think you missed the first wave of the opportunity, another opportunity is here, and hopefully by the weekend I'm going to be giving us lots of tips on what to look out for next week. Don't miss the video. Don't miss watching the video. So I would like to say again, are you subscribed to this YouTube channel? Are you enjoying the content I put out? I do a lot of beautiful videos that you should enjoy every day of the week. Not every day, but I try to make sure I do at least 2 videos in a week, and I want you to learn how to make money just using your phone anywhere in the world that you are. You can access the US stock market and you can leverage on it just using your phone and having the right knowledge. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, drop a comment, share this video, let people see what you are learning, and let's make our next 30 days a bombshell. Like, we need to go hard and make sure that we close in December in a very positive note. In case you want to join the money community, where I share every information, how to start off, how much you need to start with, how you can start making little money every month, you can join us. The link is in the description. Click on it, make your payment, and you'll find your way straight into the community. And I can't wait for you to see the next video. Keep it locked, guys. See you in the next one.